guys. So this is the first question of weekly contest 500. In this question we have given an integer array nums of length n. Now the score of any index I is defined such that we have to choose an index j such that j is greater than I and nums I and nums j have different parity. Different parity means if nums I is even, then nums j is odd, or if nums I is odd, then nums j is even. So they should have different parity. So the score of index I will be the sum of will be the number of j such that j is greater than I and have different parity. We have to return an integer array answer of length n where answer I is the score of index I. Basically we have to find the score of each index and save in the vector answer and return it. So now in this question we have given an array. Consider example 2 3 4 6 7 8 9. So in this example for 2, now 2 is even, so we will take all the indices which comes after 2 and have odd parity. So we have 3, we will take 7 and we will take 9. So we have 3. So score of this index is 3. Now we will talk about 3. Now 3 is odd, so we will take all the indices after 3 whose number is even because it is odd. So we will take 4, 6 and 8. So score of 3 is 4. Now we will take about 4. Again we will take all the number which comes after 4 in this array and it is odd. So in this array after 4 odd number after 4 are 7 and 9. So the score of 4 is 2. Similarly for 6 we will take again 7 and 9. The score of 6 is again 2. For 7 8 will be the only possible, so score of 7 is 1, and for 8 it will be again 1 because for 8 we will choose 9. So it's 1 and again for 9 it will be 0. Now if you observe that in this array when we are finding the solution we have to just take the indices after the current index and we have to count the number of indices. We have nothing extra to do. We have just need to count the number of indices on the right hand side only. So the best way to solve is we will iterate through this array from right to left. From right to left we will going to store whether the current number is even or odd, and we will save the answer date, or if the current number is even we will save the count of odd number, or if the current number is odd we will save the count of even numbers. So how we are going to solve it? So again we will start from right hand side. Now we have 9 and at present the count of odd number is 0 and count of even number is 0 also. So now 9 is odd, so count of even number is 0. So its answer will be 0. And since 9 is odd, we will increase the odd count. We will increase the odd count. So it will increase by 1. Now we will move to 8. Now 8 is even. Till now, what is the count of odd number? It is 1. So we will save 1 in the answer, and since 8 is even, we will increase the count of even number by 1. Similarly for 7, now 7 is odd, so till now how many even number we have found? We have found 1 even number. So we will save it here as the answer 1, and we'll increase the odd count by 1. Now we will move to 6. Now for 6 is even, so how many odd numbers we have found yet? We have found 2 odd numbers. So we will save here 2, and 6 is even number, so we will increase the count of even by 1. Now again 4 is even. How many odd number we have found yet? 2. So we will save the answer as 2, and we will increase the even count by 1. Similarly 3, we will save the answer 3 because 3 is odd. So we will save the answer 3, and odd is increased by 1. And again for 2, it's even. So number of odd number we have found is 3. So we will save it as answer. So this is how we are going to solve it. At each index, we are going to save the answer of different parity, the count of different parity, and we will increase the current parity. Now we are going to code this. So int odd is equal to 0, even is equal to 0, and n is equal to none dot set. We will create vector answer, and now we are going to start from right hand side. So int I is equal to n minus 1, I is greater than 0, I minus minus. Now what we have to do as in till now, since if 4 is even, if the current number is even, we are saving the count of odd numbers. So if nums I modulus 2 equal to 0, it means it is even. So if it's even, we are going to save the answer I equal to odd, or since it's even, we are increase the count of even. As if it's odd, then we will save the current answer as even. Since it's odd, we have to save the different parity, and we will increase odd by 1, and we will just return the answer. We will submit the test case, and all the test cases are passed. Now we will submit the answer, and yes, the answer is submitted. So we have solved this question in only n time complexity. So thanks to see the video and let me know if you understand the solution.